Hi, Jude. Hi, Jude. You having your first bath at home?
Yeah, first bath.
First bath at home. Look at you.
Bye.
Looking at your brother. And he's getting a little bathy bath.
Hey, Jude. Go over here, baby. Yeah? Whoop.
Hold on.
Look at Mom. Look at him.
Hold on. Hi, Jude. You alright, bud? You look like you're liking that a lot. You're looking like you're liking that a lot.
What's in his foot? What's that?
It's a Band-Aid.
It's a Band-Aid.
It's okay.
It's a red Band-Aid.
Yeah. Hi, Jude.
Boy.
Watch his face.
I got him.
Pretty cute. Hey, Jude.
He's rubbing his hand in the water.
Yeah.
There you go, bud.
Like,
Oh, my goodness.
Wait. Here we go, my little petunia.
And now you dry him off.
Oh, quick.
I know.
That warm water was so nice. But now it's not warm. Here.
Here you go, first bath.
First bath. First bath.
First bath for Jude.
Get him in the sun.
Get him in the sun. Let's go bring him over and get him in the sun.
Boys liners look better than period liners. Want to stay fresh and dry? You Poison Dry.
There he goes.
Yeah. Good little jaundice. Sun.